How to use Autotext in Microsoft Word. Autotext helps us insert frequently used phrases or blocks of text instantly. So if you don't use it, we waste time typing the same content repeatedly. So let's set it up. So we can head over to Microsoft Word. For that, type in Microsoft and open up Microsoft Word, or directly open up Word. So I'm just going to open up the Word application. You may also do the same and open up a new document or existing one. So I'm just going to open up a new for this video. And what we need to do is we need to select the text. So let's say this is the text available right here. So let's say this is the text. So what we need to do is we need to highlight the text that we want to save as auto text like this. And once we do so, what we need to do is go to the insert option in the top. And within here, look out for the option for quick parts auto text, which should be this one right here. So once you select it, select this quick parts option and select this option of auto text here. And we may save this selection to auto text gallery and give it a name. So you can give it a name. So I'm just gonna type in 1, let's say, and even select your gallery, etc. Saving option. And once we do so, assign it a category if needed, and click on this option called OK, like this. And once we do so, what we need to do is we need to basically place the cursor where we wanna insert the text. So go over to insert, select the option of quick parts, and select the option of auto text, and find the option of your auto text here. Select the saved entry or type in the name. And once we do so, we'll be finding the text available. We can just go over and press even F3 to insert it on our keyboard, and that's it. If you want to go ahead and remove those auto text, we can select this quick parts again and select auto text. Even go ahead and right click on it and select the option of delete if you want to delete it. And that's it. This is how you do it. Autotext saves the time and boosts productivity in Word. So we may follow up the steps for that. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.